What's good, guys? Derek here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another mascot logo video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so in today's video we got a super sick Warlock mascot logo for you guys to check out, as you can already see. We're starting off in Sketchbook Pro as usual. This is my favorite program, so to speak. Haven't really tried any other ones. I've tried like the sketching program on the Apple. I think it's like Adobe Sketch or something. It's like sketching, Adobe Illustrator or whatever. And then I tried this one, and that's pretty much it. Like, I just downloaded it, downloaded this one. It's super straightforward. I just started drawing and I just started practicing with it, got used to it, and now it's all I use. So yeah, like I said, we got a Warlock mascot logo. This is a client project, so it's not for sale, guys, or anything like that. You know, this is just what I made for my client. Anyways, for this logo design, you know, like I started off in Sketchbook Pro, he needed a Warlock mascot logo. He said kind of like a mixture of a wizard and a warrior, or a wizard and a warlock. He really liked my Warlock that I created in 2017 that you can see here. Yeah, he said that one was super dope. He wanted his own, you know, just obviously more, you know, unique. So it's his own. It doesn't look like that, but you know, so basically just a super dope Warlock mascot logo. Not a wizard hat or anything like that. He preferred the hoodie. And yeah, so I was like, okay, cool. And then I started the project, and yeah, I figured like to make it unique, it would be dope to have his hands up, kind of like you see right now, almost like he's about to reach out and grab you, the viewer, or whoever's looking at the logo. I thought that would be sick. It's something that's kind of seen a lot with this similar kind of character-based style of mascot logos, or even animals, like their paws will be reaching out beyond the word mark. So it's not a crazy idea, so to speak, but the execution that I did made it super sick, and that's what makes it a really great concept. Not necessarily the concept idea itself, but more so my execution and how I executed that, which you guys are watching right now. So after that, I started to sketch out the word mark areas, kind of like the rectangle, the empty rectangle I just created, and that's kind of like the overall shape that I felt like I was going to use, but later on I wound up switching because it wasn't that easy to manipulate the word mark, the text design, whatever you want to call it, and have it that legible. So I just made it more simplified, basically on the bottom. But yeah, if I could have made the word mark fit, it would have been super fire. But yeah, so after that I was kind of happy with the sketch, like how it looks now, and I felt like it needed a little bit more, or just adding a little bit more, something extra would really just take it over the top and just make it like a super fire logo. So that's when I started adding in everything when it comes to the shading and stuff like that. And then I also started to add in fire, or just some kind of like magical, mystical, like fire kind of stuff around the logo as the outline. And I thought that would really take it to the next level. And I got some kind of inspiration for that here. And I'm also going to leave the reference images that I used for this logo linked in the description, so you guys can kind of check it out and kind of compare and just see where I kind of got my ideas for. That's pretty much it for this logo, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to end it with a song that I've been sitting on for a while that I never released, and this is just kind of spur of the moment because it kind of fits with the video and I didn't really have anything else. And yeah, I haven't forgot about the logo critique videos. I'm going to be getting to those very soon. I've just been procrastinating, to be honest. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.